Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm baking, actually baked already, delicious banana bread, and I can tell you the smell is amazing and the taste is amazing. I'm sure because this is not the first banana bread I ever made in my life. So I made a lot of banana breads, and I'm gonna share with you the recipe, step-by-step recipe, how I prepare this, how I actually bake this delicious banana bread. So follow me and watch this video and repeat all steps I'm showing you. To prepare a banana bread, you need some ingredients, and I tell you honestly that I have different recipes of banana bread, and quite often I combine the ingredients in different proportion, but at least I know the proportion that actually goes very well. And today I'll show you a very simple proportion I use to prepare banana bread. So you need three up to 4 ripe bananas, and then you need some baking powder, usually 1.5, actually 1 tablespoon of baking powder, some sugar, brown sugar, raw sugar, or any sugar. It's up to 1 cup. I don't make banana bread too sweet. Of course, 150 grams of butter, and I have to melt this butter before I add to the dough. And then I use some vanilla sugar, just 1 package, a little bit of cinnamon, sometimes I add some cardamom. I use all-purpose flour white, but also I mix sometimes with whole wheat flour, and sometimes I add nuts, and it's walnuts, and of course a little bit of salt and eggs. I forgot to put eggs, but I usually use from 2 to 3 eggs for this portion of banana. And that's all. And how much walnuts? I usually half a cup, and 1.5 cup of flour. But anyway, I'll be showing how I'm making this delicious banana bread. When I'm preparing the dough, I actually preheat the oven, and I put the baking dish to be heated, because it's better to put banana dough bread into the warm or even hot of dish to bake. So I'm adding 1 package of sugar, vanilla sugar, to banana, and now it's some more sugar, and then I'll use the fork to squash these bananas. The banana is soft, it's very easy to crush them with a fork, and it doesn't matter that they are like dark color, because banana bread actually dark color. They are perfect for banana bread. They are perfect, and you don't need like very mushy banana, so you can leave some little kind of pieces. It's even tastier when you eat banana bread. I separated 3 yolks from whites, but it's not necessary. Sometimes you can add a whole egg, so 3 eggs. If you didn't have 3, add 2. It's still okay. Regarding the sugar, I don't use 1 cup of sugar. You can find in most recipes that you need to add 1 cup of sugar. I use usually less. I use like half of a cup, or sometimes a little bit more, but again, it's your choice, and my choice is less sugar. The butter is melting, so I add some walnuts, and I'll be adding some butter. And while the butter is melting, I'll prepare the mix of flour with baking powder and some spices. So this is 1.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon, just a little bit more, of baking powder. I'm gonna mix it, but also I add some cinnamon and cardamom. My husband doesn't like too much cinnamon, so I add approximately half of teaspoon cinnamon and cardamom, but you can add more if you like it, so it's up to you. I mix everything because it's much easier to mix than with a banana mix, and have it mix equally. So this is how I prepare the flour. The butter is almost melted, so still probably half a minute. And now I'll be adding the banana mix and then mix flour with. So now it's time to add melted butter and mix it. Yeah. And then I'll mix with flour, but before that I'm going to whisk the whites. I want some kind of like beaten whites because it's keeps the shape, like it makes your bread not so tough, but I would say more fluffy. That's why I like to add beaten eggs. And now slowly we add flour mix to banana mix, mixing together. And you see reaction right away. The baking powder gives some reaction. Now to this dough I'll be adding a beaten whites, and we'll mix gently. And the dough is ready. The banana bread dough is ready. And now it's time to put in the oven, preheated oven. We bake banana bread at 350 Fahrenheit at least for 60-70 minutes. 1 hour and 9 minutes, so it's 70 minutes. The bread starts growing, and the smell, oh my goodness, I have such a delicious smell in my kitchen. Wow. 10 more minutes and the bread will be ready. So my banana bread is ready. It's so beautiful and the sun is shining. That's why probably you cannot see the true colors of this banana bread. But anyway, so the dish is very hot and I cover it with a wet towel because I want the bread to separate from the dish in an easy way. So in this way, if you use a wet towel and it's wet with the cold water and actually covered like this, then the bread will separate very easily from the dish. And a smell. And what a smell. Still you can see it's still hot. And the smell is just amazing. The banana is still warm, but I'm going to cut a slice because I like warm banana. And let's see the structure. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at this. So I'm gonna eat this piece. I put a little bit of butter. I like banana bread warm with a little bit of butter on the top. But I'm telling you, this looks amazing and smells amazing, and it's really delicious bread, believe me. And I'm gonna try this piece. Yes, it's definitely delicious, amazing, beautiful. So if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel, and write some comments. And see you next time. Bye bye.